Hi, I'm Aaron Marcus, and actually, I'm getting ready to travel to New York for a request go see, meaning they saw my photos and they are requesting to see me for a potential modeling job in New York. Um, but I wanted to get this out to you really quickly. I am going to be in Los Angeles on January 18th and 19th, giving some talks. I'm being flown out to work with some folks. And I decided that while I'm there on the 20th, I'm going to work with three people privately. And it's going to be from 4 to 6. All the details are at the bottom of the page. And basically, what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you how I went from being a part-time actor and model as a full-time college student to turning this into a 30-plus year career and over 1,200 bookings. And I'm going to be telling you everything that I do on a daily basis, all the information that I've gathered from, whether it's being in a recurring role on House of Cards, working on Gotham, Mr. Robot, hundreds of commercials, hundreds and hundreds of commercial modeling ads. Um, I'm going to share with you what you need to do in order to have the success that you want. And whether that means finding an agent, whether that means finding agents in other markets, whether that means getting more work, getting better opportunities. I'm going to be able to do that with you on Sunday from 4 to 6. And actually, I'm only going to accept three people. And so it's going to be a private session. It's actually $50 less expensive than if we did this online, but we'll get a chance to hang out in person. So if you're really interested in really having success, you've got two choices, and you can do things by trial and error. You can spin your wheels. You can spend a lot of money in areas that you don't need to, or work with me. And I will be your mentor for 2 hours, just working with you and two other people, which also is really helpful for you because you can learn from being with other people as well. So click on the link below and you can get all the details. Like I said, I'm only going to accept three people, so you want to do this right away. Uh, this always excites me. I've helped hundreds of people have success in the industry. And basically, it's just by sharing what I've learned and what I do on a daily basis. So if you're really interested, click now, sign up right away, and I can't wait to work with you on Sunday. See ya.